What is up, you guys? Welcome to or back to my channel. Today we are doing a Bath & Body Works haul and talking all new Nightmare Before Christmas things. So Disney Nightmare Before Christmas had a collection with Bath & Body Works. We have a pumpkin scent and we have a berry scent, so two new scents, and on top of that, of course, we have candles, hand soaps, accessories, and all of the things. So today we're going to be getting into the entire launch and talking about all of my favorites, going over the scents. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure you like and subscribe because I do post every week, and let's get right into it. So as you can see behind me, Bath & Body Works was kind enough to send me a package and I'm so excited. So yesterday when they launched everything, I did go ahead in store and I purchased some of my favorites and I shopped the launch, and then this showed up at my door this morning and I'm so excited. So first of all, look at how cool packaging is. I mean, it is absolutely amazing and I'm so excited about what they sent over. So first, let's start with my favorite scent in the collection. We have Jack. Look at this packaging. It is so rich, it is so luxurious, and there's just so much that I love about this collection. So starting off with the fragrance mist, I absolutely love that they put the straw in the middle. I love this detail. I've been saying for so long that I missed those scents that had the straw in the middle. When I was probably like 10 years old, there was a pink lemonade, or at least I remember a lemonade one with the straw in the middle, and I loved it so much, and that was one of the first scents from Bath & Body Works that made me fall in love with Bath & Body Works, and ever since then I've been collecting and purchasing their fragrances, and I absolutely love this scent. The notes on this one are Pumpkin Screams, Glowing Palo Santo, and Spooky Spice Vanilla. Now what I love so much about this specific scent is that I feel like it has a little bit of a like masculinity to it, but in like a really good deep spiced way. It doesn't smell like straight up cologne, but it is so perfectly spiced and it is very intense. I feel like this is my favorite pumpkin scent probably since, like, I want to say pumpkin chai. It is so good, you guys. I love it so much and it's just such a nostalgic scent. The packaging is so cute and yeah, I absolutely love it. I'm going to give it a good old spray. Yeah, I feel like this is like sweet cinnamon pumpkin if it didn't smell like straight up cinnamon and had a little more depth and like almost woodsiness to it. It is so beautiful, you guys. This is a true Halloween scent. When I think Halloween, I think of this scent. It is so good. I can't rave about it enough, and you guys absolutely have to smell it. They did also send over the body cream, which again, that packaging is just so good, and I love Bath & Body Works body creams. I feel like they last so long. They melt right into the skin, and this scent again is just so good, and I cannot wait to layer these two after the shower, having a spooky Halloween night routine. I love it so much, and I'm just so grateful that they sent these over. Next up, we have the second scent in this collection, and it is of course Sally. Again, look at this packaging. It is just so impressive. It is so nostalgic. It is so Disney-like, and Halloween, it is perfection. So the notes on this one are Ghastly Blooms, Berry Patchwork, and Forbidden Tonka. So you have vanilla, you have berries, and you have florals, which what more can you ask for? I think this scent is absolutely stunning. Thinking more about what this scent smells like, to me it smells like their Wicked Vanilla Wood scent and their Girlfriend scent, even a little bit of Dark Kiss. If you mix the three of those, that's what this smells like. It is almost like Girlfriend or Dark Kiss if it had almost like a marshmallowy vanilla, super strong vanilla base to it. It is absolutely beautiful. You really can smell the berries, you can smell the vanilla, you can smell some woodsiness in it. The florals, for sure, it is a beautiful scent. I feel like it's a perfect mix of things that Bath & Body Works has done well already, mixed with a little bit of newness in the scent notes, and I'm a huge fan. I love it so much, and again, that packaging is just so cute. Let's go ahead and spray this one as well and see if I have any more thoughts on this scent. It is so good, you guys. It is such a beautiful scent. I feel like this one is just so beautifully like feminine and berry and vanilla and woodsy and all of the things. And like I said, this one's a little more spicy and masculine and it has more depth to it. I feel like both of these scents even together complement each other so well, and I think Bath & Body Works absolutely nailed it with this collection. Next up, they also sent me the hand soap. This is the Jack hand soap, and look at how cute, again, that packaging is. I am so excited to throw this in one of the bathrooms or the kitchen. The notes on this one, again, are Pumpkin Screams, Glowing Palo Santo, and Spooky Spiced Vanilla. And I think it is so cute. Super excited to use that. We also have the candle that they sent over. And look at that packaging. I think it is adorable. So much detail went into this collection. I love it so much. And even the lid is really cool. So I'm super excited about that. I cannot wait to burn this. It smells so good. Smelling it in candle form, it almost reminds me of the Marshmallow Fireside scent. Something about the base of it. It's so good. So yeah, I'm so excited about that. And then they did also send over one of the hand sanitizer holders, and it is so cute. They sent over Zero, and I think it is adorable. Zero glows, and then it's like glow in the dark, which I think is so cute. I cannot wait to put these on my Loungefly backpacks and on my bags during Halloween time. I think it is adorable, and again, just all of the detail is so cute. And then they did also send me a hand sanitizer. This is the Sally one to go ahead and put in that holder, which I'm super excited about. And last but certainly not least, they did also send me this tote bag. Look at how cute it is. It is super soft and plush. They have Sally on one side and Jack on the other side, which I think is so cool. I love this bag so much, and it is very spacious as well. So I feel like this is going to be super cute to use throughout Halloween time, and yeah, I'm so excited about it. So yeah, you guys, that is everything that Bath & Body Works sent over, but they did also have more stuff in the collection. So if you guys saw the collection or if you shopped it in store, they did also have a Jack and Sally candle holder. I believe they had an Oogie Boogie hand sanitizer holder. They also did have a Zero hand soap dispenser and a few other accessories. So they did have some of those like bigger ticket items as well on top of all of their body care. But I have to say, out of all of the Disney launches, I feel like this one, they really shined with the body care. I feel like it smells so good. I'm so impressed with these two scents specifically for Halloween time. I know I'm going to be pulling these out and using them. I really do hope that they come out with another collection next year. If they can bring these two scents back and even add some more like an Oogie Boogie scent, that would be super cool. I would even love if they did a Nightmare Before Christmas launch. That would be really cool too. So yeah, there's so much that I know Bath & Body Works can do in the future with all of these Disney collections, and it is super exciting to be able to shop all of them and to add them to my collection. Let me know your guys' thoughts on all of these scents and all of the accessories. Were you guys able to get them in store or online? And what do you think about the two new scents? I'm so excited about it, and yeah, I am just so grateful that they sent this stuff over to me. Like I said, I did shop the collection actually yesterday as well, and I did buy a few of these items already, so it is really nice that they were able to send some of the stuff I wasn't able to get as well, and I cannot wait to take some of these items with me to the parks. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul, and if you enjoyed it, again, make sure you like and subscribe and follow my other socials too at Bougie Finds Official and Bougie Finds on Facebook, because I post every single day on my other socials. I know you guys see me on here like probably once a week or so, but I do post daily on my other socials, and I do keep you guys updated on favorite body care routines and everything like that. If you guys have any recommendations or requests on videos you'd like to see in the future, just comment them down below. I almost always do them, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. Bye guys!